Hey, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge again. I got a unboxing of a hand warmer slash portable charger hybrid heat pocket juice. I got lots of glare, but that's alright. Let's get down here. So there you go. Guy looks like that. Got a bearded fellow on the cover. Let's see. Let's take a look. Let me reread it. It's made by Tzumi. I got it at Walmart for $14.88. I opened it up, charged it up, at least got it, make sure it's gonna work. But alright, it's alright, portable charger hand warmer, 5200 MSA. Oh, before I get started, why don't you go ahead and ring that bell, like and share and all that stuff. Yeah. Alright, so there's 3 different levels of heat, which I'm going to test. I got a heat gun. I'm going to measure to see how it works. So I'm going to pop it out and see if it really works. It does work. I know I tried it a little bit, but I didn't try it all the way. So you get low is 100 to 105, medium is 106 to 111, and high is 112 to 118. So it's supposed to be able to charge your phone up too. We'll try doing that too. Alright, let's get it out of the package. Here's what you look like. Comes with some paperwork. Box is empty. Oh, it looks like, it's kind of like, what do they want you to buy? Some type of, I don't know what the heck that is. Yeah. I'm going to pause the video here for a second. I turned some lights on so maybe to show up a little better. So it looks like I don't know, something for women, some type of aroma. I don't know. All right, you get that. Looks like an advertisement. There's a picture of the bearded dude again, and the user manual. But I kind of already didn't even look at it. We'll look at it if I can't figure it out. Alright, so it comes in this packaging, and the first thing you know, oh, here's more warning. That's the lithium battery, so they're telling you not to throw it away. Alright, first thing you'll know is a yellow tape saying pocket juice needs to be activated before the first use. And I already did that. To activate, you press the top power button until the LEDs light up. So they're saying turn that on and they light up, and then you're supposed to charge the pocket juice for at least 1 minute. And of course, I already did that. So well, all right, let's go to, so here's what it looks like. It's nice about here's a size of it. Here's a Sharpie, so it's a larger size Sharpie, so it's not too terribly big. If any of you guys are into knives, here's a tenacious size comparison. Spyderco tenacious, so, and I can count how big it is too. Let's see, it is 1, 2, 3, like 4, a little under 4 inches. So, and it fits in the hand. Okay, so there's the size. Comes with a little charging micro USB. So before I start putting heat to it, let's see if it'll charge my phone. You turn that on. Let's see. I haven't used this. I was using my phone. There we go. Oh wait, that ain't gonna work. Oh wait. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Duh. You gotta plug that in and then see if that it's showing us. Let's see, it's at 89 right now. So, and I got it says it's charging. So, but we want to test the heat. I think most likely someone's going to use it for the heat more than the charging, but it does have capability to charge your phone. It comes with that. So, it's like I said, this has set aside. the Tzumi name. So okay, so to activate it, you're supposed to hold the button in. Oh, see, well, there. That's supposed to be the lowest heating setting. It's green. Next one is yellow/green, and then red. So we're gonna go back to green, and we're gonna let it heat up. We're gonna take this here, and right now it's at 97 or 70. Let's see, object. It's at 85 degrees right now. It's at 85 degrees. So, and it is warming up a little bit. See what it says. Juice, everything you need to portable charger plus more with 3 built-in thermometer settings, thermal settings. You can adjust the temperature, keep your hands warm while you're charging your device. Perfect for chilly days outdoors. Hybrid heat comes from handy, dual functioning and power, fits in your pocket. That's what it says on the package. So we'll see. While we're heating it up, we'll try another 97. Oh. It says at 91 right now. Let's pop over to this screen. Now here's where you can get it. I got it at Walmart. Bam. So here's I paid $14.88 for it. I was actually going to get it a few weeks ago, and I thought it's at the end of the kiosk, so I thought it said $4.88, and I actually picked it up, and I was like, oh, it's $14.88, and so I kind of put it back down, and I bought it this time, last trip. So, and it was in electronics at the end of the kiosks. So basically, it's what it says, 5,200, so that's pretty good. Let's see anything new. No, that's not much. Heating, power, bring temperature up. It says what I already said. Include 4-inch micro USB charging cable. Specs 4 DC, 5 volt, 2 amp output. Okay. Let's pop back to here and see where we're on the temperature wise. Alright, so 97. 97.3 says, well, I guess it's almost 100. You can feel the heat. We're going to jack it up. We're going to go to the next setting and see if we can get it to go over 106. It's supposed to get over 106. And of course, it's almost like the color is almost like the green and red combined. So you're in a medium setting. It shows all my bars are still there. So I think I charged it for a little bit. I don't know, maybe a half hour. You can feel it's nice and warm right now. Try this again. 97. It's still at 97. 99 now. And gotta let that sit. I'm gonna pause it again and let it get up to temp and start record. I'll come back when it gets up to the temperature. Okay, I'm back again. Still warming up. Oh, I believe it says up to 3 hours of heat. So, and right now it's got nice and warm. We're gonna hit another 106, 103. So it's 103 degrees right now. It feels nice and warm in the hand. This would really feel good if it was you're outside in the cold. Rip this off. We don't need this anymore. So, warning. What's this say? Warning: keep out of the reach of children. Do not charge or discharge at do not charge and discharge at the same time. Huh. Guess so they don't want you to charge and discharge. So don't plug both sides in at the same time. Okay. Go. Okay. 101. 102.2. think we're going to jack it right up. It's nice and warm. This is the medium. It's still not all the way up to the, it says 111, but I don't know how accurate this is either. So, oh, that must have hit 102 at one time. 102.7. Let's go all the way up to the red. This is supposed to take it up to 112 to 118. So it'll be really nice and warm on you. Oh yeah. Let's see how that does. So, what is the most comfortable phone grip? I just got a tint of lip color. Oh, it's so you could put balm and a phone grip all in one. So, I guess anybody that likes wearing, I don't know, if you're into that stuff, 20% off. You get that with promo code LUCKY. So you get that in the package. So if you're into that style, that stuff. Oh, here's the another. Texting never smelt so good. It's drop your flavor essential oil and phone grip. It smells good. Okay, so that's what comes in. Get that one. Don't say 20% off. So kind of stuff to do with the phones. All right. See if I miss anything while this was heating up. Safeguards. Do not use the unit any other than intended use. Keep the unit away from heat source, direct sunlight. Do not expose device to extremely high or low temperatures and may cause damage. So, okay. Do not use the unit if it's been dropped, damaged, or repair to electrical equipment. Should only be performed by a qualified electrician. More specs. Let's see where we're at on the temperature. Oh yeah, it's got warm. 104. Oh, 106. 107. So not quite up to where it says it will be, but it's nice. It feels really good in the hand. 104.9. 105.6. I don't know. It might. I don't know how long it's supposed to take to get up, but this would be right in the range of where it says it's on medium, so it might take more time, but it really feels good. So I don't know why I don't know if you need it that high though. 112 to 118. That's almost like burn your hand. I'm gonna 104.5. If it's like a rubbery coating on it. Soft. Still, like, I'm guessing, obviously the 4 dots mean you still got plenty of charge. It's definitely be nice if it was one of them cold days. Well, I was gonna originally also I was thinking about buying one of them Zippo hand warmers, but I have a lot of Zippos, and the problem with Zippos is the fluid evaporates, or the lighting fluid evaporates. So you go to use the lighter and the fluids are gone. So I'm guessing that the Zippo hand warmer would kind of be the same way. So, but I think once you start it, it's continuous 8 hours heat. This one you can shut off and on. So that's why I went with this one. Let's try it one more time. See where we're at. And then we're in a 105 point. I'm gonna call it that. I mean that's hot enough. That it feels it's nice and warm. So I'm sure it probably would get up to the 118. But it seems like I'm at 105. I mean 105 degrees. It's saying it's like right. So I don't know how long it would take to get that up there like that too. But I'm gonna give it another few seconds. Let that go. And we are going to do one more test and see where we're at. But yes, it does get warm, and I think it would be good if it was out, you're out and cold and have it in your pocket. Plus, you got the extra ability to charge your phone. So, I think it was worth the $14. And you know, it'd be really worth it as your hands are freaking freezing and you just wish you had this. So, that'd make it even worth its weight in gold. So, let's try one more temperature test and see where we're at. We got 106. We're going to call it there. We'll call it 106. So they say 100, it goes all the way up to 118. But I don't know. I got up to 106 on the high setting. So 106.3. It's still climbing though. 106. We'll get 107.4. All right, 107. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out of here. So if you go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge. If you like knife videos, a little bit of electronics, slash gadgets and stuff, and go down below and ring that bell. I'll catch you later. Bye.